Not much has changed in my portfolio since the last stream, as you can see. It's more or less the same. Carvana is finally getting a bid. AI, if this thing doesn't bounce soon, I'm gonna sell the rest of the shares I have left. If it can't find support on a 10-day. Damn, this Opera is going straight up. Anyone remember Opera, the web browser? I didn't even know they existed still. Apparently they do. And apparently stock is doing really well this year. Yep, PLTR. That's what I said on the stream a couple of weeks ago. These hated stocks, just like Tesla over the years, they are the ones people either really love this one or really hate this one. There's a lot of haters on this stock, and it's up 60% since the entry. PayPal as a meaner version. Where's the meaner version? Like, if you're gonna do a meaner version trade, you need to have a stock that's extended either way. How is this thing extended? Okay, looks like AI bounced off the 69 EMA on the 60-minute for now. The earnings were shit. This is an absolute pump job. The only reason this is up because the ticker is AI. And I think it could go up much more. Because the dumber the thesis, the bigger a move is gonna be. Like AI could just be, you know, getting started. Remember, people have not gotten smarter since AMC and GME. Guys, anyone got the meaner version trade in the semi names 2 days ago? Like Soxol and AMD and what was the one? AMAT? No. LRCX? No. Wait, AVGO. Yeah, this one. I missed those. I hesitated pulling the trigger. Those are 5-star. Well, Marvel wasn't... Well, actually, it was kind of extended, but not as good as AMD. Not much going on right now. Earnings season is over. I think next couple of months are gonna be pretty slow. You've heard about WLDS? Yeah. I saw it when it had it at the EP. I passed on it because I thought it was shit. Apparently it wasn't. News on Carvana. It had news. Not sure what any of it means, but hey, it's going up, so it must be good, right? Maybe they're not going bankrupt in the next few weeks. CVN AI, yeah. Nice EP on Vive. Dude, it's near the lows of the day. You can get back to highs of the day? Yeah, maybe. But it's a very slow mover. It's not a growth stock anymore. I'm not really excited about it at all. Uranium is up. Why is uranium up? Uranium names are all up. Volume on Carvana is not very... Well, wait. Actually, it is inspiring. Oh! It's gonna have more volume than it had 2 days ago. It's probably gonna have like 35-40 million in volume at this rate. Oh, okay. It's better than I thought. Do you still follow Joe Kunkel on Twitter? You know, instead of like asking that, why don't you just check it on my Twitter? Like, what the fuck? Has to be the dumbest question of the day. Yeah, that was a low effort question. Holy shit. Do you have a routine to identify sector rotation, new theme? Yes, price and volume. Is it going up on big volume? Or no? There you have it. Yeah, guys, like, what is this? Celsius up 7%? Like, we all can see it, guys. Let's get the noise out of the chat. We don't need 500 people writing a bunch of nonsense. Yes, like Celsius, it was an EP from like 3 weeks ago. I know a lot of people are in this from the EP. And that's that. We don't need to do like daily updates on stuff. Unless it's something, you know, something that releases news intraday and it's up huge, goes up huge in a short amount of time. Something that's newsworthy, right? We don't need like 50 tickers updated in chat. Use Bard AI to find the underwriters and location and previous ticker on SDA. Really? No, I haven't used Google Bard. Google Bard. Okay. Oh. Google Bard isn't currently supported in your country. Well, where's my VPN? Well, I'll turn it on later. Monday, I had it in the EP. Then I sold it a few days later because I didn't like the price section. Then I rebought it on the, the breakout here after the few tight days. Ionic, yeah. This one I bought 2 days ago of this little mini breakout, whatever. I mean, the theme is so strong. Can't ignore these things. I already have 2 of these quantum computer names. But eventually they're all gonna go. When the retarded money comes back, they're all gonna go. Right now there hasn't been like a lot of retard money coming into small caps, etc. But I think that's gonna change. If the market stays strong like they've been, it takes a long time. If you listen to media and everything, it's so bearish. It's been so bearish. Oh my god, it's disgusting. The world was supposed to end like 6 months ago. I don't know. Everything is still fine. Stocks are going up. And if stocks stay up, I think it's gonna change slowly. And I think, the small caps will wake up. And we're gonna get some insane moves. Insane moves. Alright, AI so far bouncing nicely off the 10-day. Undercounted reclaim. Looks good. Yeah, exactly. Oh. Like, guys, you have to understand something. There's always something to worry about. The world is always about to end. Right? You can't live your life in fear. Like, it's not like, let's look at the big move. Let's look at the big moves in the Nasdaq, right? It's not like everything was perfect in the mid-late 90s, right? There was a lot of things. You go back, read newspapers at that time, there was a lot of, the same shit. A lot of things to worry about. The same thing after 2009 bottom, Always a bunch of shit to worry about, right? And big parabolic move we had 2021, always a bunch of shit to worry about. The virus was gonna kill us all, yet the market went up. It's the same thing here. The debt ceiling and this and that, yet stocks are going up. The best investment you can do in yourself, to never read financial media again or listen to it. It's such a waste of time. It's not educational and it's not entertaining. So there's no value in it. Only thing you need to care about is what the market tells you. You need to have some kind of a market filter. Doesn't matter what. As long as it makes, some type of sense. Pradeep has his market monitor. I use this, just simple moving averages. The 10 and 20. And I also experimenting a little bit with a MACD histogram. I have like a green, red, yellow light thingy that I've been using. You want to be long, you want to buy breakouts and EPs when things are good, and you don't want to buy stuff when markets are in downtrends. So hard to rewire your brain? Yes, it's the hardest thing to do. QBTS. Well, I bought it on EP. I created this quantum computing AI watch list back in January, right? I tweeted it, I talked about it on the stream, right? So I had these things on radar, right? And then Nvidia started making crazy things, and AI started going up, and I knew, you know. And then, you know, when I saw this big volume, I you know, that's a good shot. It was a sector EP. You know, something is brewing. I don't want to miss this theme. Like, there's gonna be 5 and 10 baggers in this, in the smaller, so the micro, small, mid cap AI names. Like the guys calling this a bubble, we're just getting started. Now, we don't know who the winners are gonna be yet. Like Nvidia, yes. But it's a mega cap stock. Like, how much more can you squeeze out of this one now? I don't know. It's already up 200%. 200, almost 300. Yeah, almost. It was up almost 300% in 6 months or so. There's a lot of money on the sidelines, not in any AI stocks at all. We'll see. We're just getting started. You're now trading small cap AI stocks in your wife's boyfriend's account? Oh yeah. Yeah. So if you make money, you wire it to your account, and if you lose money, it's just his money. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I would do that too. If my wife had a boyfriend, I would do the same thing. Am I comfortable trading 50-cent stocks? Yeah, but QBTS is not a 50-cent stock anymore. It's $1.50 now. So yeah, I'm very comfortable. Oh yeah, AI. Let's go, motherfucker. Let's go. Hope you soaked some shorts. The shorts with the thesis. Oh, it's a piece of shit. The only thing this thing has going on for it regarding to AI is the ticker AI. They don't even do AI. There's no growth. Yeah, it's a piece of shit. And that's why it's going up. That's something you guys have to learn. Pieces of shit are the ones that make the biggest moves. We've seen it over and over again. Go study stocks from the late 90s, early 2000. You'll see the same thing. Just go back and look at the stocks from 2020, 2021. You'll see the same things. It's not the quality dividend stocks that made the biggest moves. Nope. Exactly, story stocks. Stories are way more powerful than fundamentals. Have you seen Chewy yet? Now, if you look at my screen, you see this watch list for today, 1st of June. I've even added a box with the earnings and the estimates. Yes, I have seen Chewy. Viva woke up. This is a slower name. I'm not really excited about any of those. The one I'm excited about is Carvana. I added a little bit today and tightened up my stops. Look, if it can't go now, it will never go. Any news in the... I have to check the news. Not that I'm gonna trade these uranium names, but... there has to be some kind of sector news, not stock specific. Ucar Quantum? No, but they are doing... it's not quantum computing. They're doing electric cars. Or batteries. The quantum solutions thing. Accurate to say technical price behavior is predictive of positive financial fundamentals? Yes. We saw that with Nvidia. Nvidia has been going up for 6 months before this monster earnings report. Holy shit. The guidance was just absolutely massive. Right? But the market sniffed it out a long time ago. Right? You see it over and over again. Especially cyclical type of stocks. They always start running up when the fundamentals look shit, and then they top out when the fundamentals are great. Like earnings and everything is great. I think this LI shook me out yesterday. Damn it, it bounced perfectly. I saw it there lows of yesterday, and then it bounced off the 20-day. Look how strong this LI is compared to the other China EVs, NIO, XPEV. They just keep going down. And you know, the China ETFs too, they've just been going down, down, down over the past few weeks or even months. LI has been going sideways, up and sideways. Huge relative strength. What's gonna happen to this one if China stocks turn higher, or China indices? Okay, SRUFF. SRUFF. I can't see that ticker. Oh, rough. Okay, the S was the, okay. Rough, Alpha Dog, I don't know. AI at $100 looks like you just sat on your thumb. You bet I did, man. You bet I just sat on my thumb. Oh, roof. Sroof. Yeah, it looks, it's been building higher lows for a year. And it's kind of starting to break this range. Yeah, that's why the uranium names are strong. This path is interesting too. I think this is also getting pumped as an AI name. The volume has been pretty big lately. Maybe next week or something if we get a good setup on it. Yeah, but it's because of cost cutting. That's what we've seen in all the software names the past like year, especially past couple of earnings seasons. You know, they all turned profitable. Why? Because they're pulling back on marketing and selling. That's you know, while the revenue growth is decelerating. Why? Because they're pulling back on marketing and sales. So, you know, thinking, oh, earnings are up 467%. It's not that great. Look at the revenue growth. It's probably going to decelerate even more. You see it in a lot of these software names. Look at this.